In our last video, we rebuilt the master cylinder. In this video, we're going to work on the calipers. Glad you're getting some angles because it's... I gotta fully back that out. Oh, that's cool. It's the same threads and everything as the other one. So supposedly you pressurize this and that just kicks out. So we'll see how that works. I'm just going to turn this upside down so it doesn't shoot into my face. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ!
Yeah.
Well, one's out. I don't know, that looks pretty good. Maybe. There's some wear on it, but that one I think may have been seized because it didn't even try to move.
Can you, is there any way you can cover up that other side?
I could shove that other one back in there, kind of. And, like, try to hold it down. Or, yeah, give me a clamp for that side and I'll clamp it down just enough. No, the other way.
Clamp it however you want. What do you want me to do?
I gotta get this tight. Oh. Alright, that hopefully is good enough. Maybe I can just, I'll do it like this. Perfect. Now nobody's got to die. Except me. God damn, dude, that is loud. And messy. Oh, dude, this stuff is gross.
Sweet.
That one looks a lot less gross. All right, and this other one should be pretty much. I just got to move it. There we go. Jesus. Delicious, delicious. All right, I'm gonna swap these out for these. Normally these aren't a problem, but at the angle I have to get so I can just film me cleaning this shit, it popped me in the eye, which was not fun. We found a brake leak right there. I don't know if you can see that. Something ain't kosher there. Ain't supposed to happen. Oh, I wish this one was longer. Nope, never mind. That was super easy. Ooh. Spring clip. Oh yeah.
Just pull it all the way out.
Felt something catch. No. There we go. Nice. Or rip it. I mean,
Pull it out that way.
yeah, it's gonna come out one way or the other. That came out really easy. All right, this one, which looks like it just pulls off. No problem. Easy. So you have these really nice specialty tools for popping these things out, which I might actually have to get, because yeah, I got that one. They're not too, they're like got little paddles. The carburetor, you spray brake cleaner on it and they get so tight they pop out. Got it.
There you go.
Well, that was not fucking easy, but yeah. Here's the fucked up one.
Nice.
Oh yeah, nice. All right. And that side I think is 100% disassembled.
Yeah. All you gotta do is clean that shit.
Yeah. Oh. Well, I must have some cuts on my hands because that's burning like a motherfucker. Yeah.
Maybe easier to put it in this way. Get in there, you bitch. There you go. Sweet. And this one fits in that little recess in this part. Well, that was easy enough. We got to put the
big O-ring.
The O-rings. Yeah, they have different size slots. Got to put them over. Okay. Yeah. That was pretty easy. All right. It actually goes a lot smoother.
See, it's like right off. There we go. Okay. Leave it. That's it for this video. On our next video, we're going to be working on the forks.